Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Pulse 5 speaker to your iPhone. But first, don't forget to tap on the button subscribe to see more useful content. So first of all, we're gonna go to the back part of the speaker and find the power button. We need to press once on it and turn it on. Great, now it's working. And usually the speaker will automatically go into the pairing mode, but if it didn't happen, you need to press this Bluetooth button once and wait till you hear the voice signal until the light will change its color. Great. Now we go to the settings on our iPhone. We need to find the Bluetooth parameter. We need to turn it on. And then we need to find JBL Pulse 5 in the list of the available devices. We need to press on it and wait till it connected. Great, now as you can see, our device is connected to our phone and you will see this in the list of my devices. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video.